for just a minute and I'll let you see the dog sample them. A cup of sourdough starter. You can use active or discard. I have extra active, so that's what I'm using. And if you only have a half cup's fine. Put that in your bowl. 2 eggs. About a half a can of pumpkin. This is a 15-ounce can, so I'm gonna use about a cup. A 1/4 cup peanut butter. I had just a little more than that in my jar, so I'm just finishing it up. And my dogs love peanut butter. This is a great way to use up your discard if you have pets. You wanna use 1 cup of oats and 2 cups flour. I just use all-purpose flour. Give it a good mix and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. My dough feels just a little too wet to roll out, so I'm gonna put it onto a floured counter, add a little flour, and just knead it in. I'm just gonna take a small handful at a time. And you just want it to be a consistency that you can roll it out. Actually, that little tiny bit did it. So I'm just gonna knead this for a minute. And now you're just gonna roll it out until it's about a 1/2 inch thin. If you need to add more flour, because mine is still sticking, go right ahead. Just add more flour to your countertop if your dough sticks. Your dogs are going to love these. Okay, well, once you have those all rolled out, you can cut them any way you want to. I actually got this kit from Aldi and it has a bone, so I'm gonna use those. There it is. I'm gonna lay these all on a parchment lined cookie sheet. They're gonna go in my 350 degree oven for about 13 minutes. They baked for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. If you want them to be crispy, bake them a little longer. My dogs are older and the soft chewier is better for them. So, Briley. Oh, Izzy. She loves them. And Astro. What do you guys think? Do you love them?